Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy General Tso's chicken. To make this super simple and easy General Tso's chicken, I'm going to be using a bag of frozen chicken nuggets. That way there's no cutting up chicken involved, no coating it in cornstarch and frying it, which isn't overly difficult, but some days you come home, you just want to hurry up and get dinner on the table, and this is a good way to fix General Tso's chicken. And it's a little bit of a shortcut. I don't think it's that big of a deal instead of doing the longer process. So anyway, I've got my oven preheating to the package directions. So for my next step, I'm just going to fix the General Tso sauce that's going to go over these nuggets. So I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, and it comes in a bottle like this if you're not familiar with it. One-third cup of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to be using a 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. If you want to use a little more, you can. And to this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm also going to be adding some red pepper flakes. And if you fix this, you just add as many that suit you and what you like. So now I'm going to take my whisk and mix this up until everything's really well combined. Okay, I have my kettles placed on my burner. I'm going to turn this up anywhere from a medium high to high. And the ideal is to get this to thicken up. So once this comes to a boil, it's going to thicken up probably fairly quickly. So many times once it's come up to a boil where it thickens so fast, I've just took it straight off the burner. So I'm just going to allow this to come up to a boil and whisk it until it's thickened, and then I'll bring you all back. Okay guys, my General Tso sauce has thickened up and it's ready to go, and it thickened up almost instantly. Usually it does, but sometimes I've had it where it's like, yeah, I'm going to take my time. So anyway, let's get on with our next step. So I've got me a big bowl just to mix these all up. It makes it easier if you got a big bowl to mix this with. So I'm just going to place my chicken nuggets in my bowl. And these was just the Kirkwood brand. I got these at Aldi's. Just go with whatever brand you like. I've got my chicken nuggets in my bowl, and the next step is just pouring my General Tso sauce over top of my chicken nuggets. Okay, using my big old spatula spoon, I'm just going to stir these chicken nuggets up in that sauce and try to get them all very well coated. My oven's already preheated, and according to the package directions, it said to bake them at 425 degrees, and it said to bake them for about 12 to 14 minutes. Okay, I've got those mixed up nicely, so from there I'm just going to pour them out into a single layer on my baking sheet. And I'm going to take my spatula spoon and rake the rest of that General Tso sauce from my bowl and try to pour it over the rest of the chicken nuggets, because why waste all that yummy goodness? Okay, I'm going to place these in the oven and bake them 12 to 14 minutes according to the package directions. And once I have them out of the oven, I'll bring you back and let you see how they turned out. I have my General Tso's chicken out of the oven, so from there I'm just going to remove them from the baking pan over to my casserole dish. Optionally, you can take some sesame seeds and sprinkle over it for a garnish to make it look pretty. I'll probably do it. I don't always. It's good either way. That's just totally up to you. But I thank you all for joining me today. I hope that this video has been helpful to you and that you've enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so. Ring that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my videos. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Much love, and until next time, guys, bye.